Okay, in this project here, got me some $2 earmuffs. It does pretty decent. I'll be building a little radius so you can ride on your lawnmower, do yard work, stay out of trouble. I got the soldering gun, a glue gun, an old pair of headphones, and the earmuffs. Okay, first thing you have to do is on these cheap pairs, just take off the earmuff piece, the air protection, open up the inner, and they have some cushion in there. You'll have to drill a hole down on the bottom here or the top, all depending where you want to run your wires, and it will be heat gluing the hole up so the wire doesn't come back out, stays in there. And put the speaker down in there. We'll do the same for the other side. If you want, you run it on the around to the top, come back through the top, and then run one line down, or you can run two lines down like the old style headphones. And I got a old Walkman, which my kids don't even know what this thing is, so I can put it on the lawnmower and not worry about it getting damaged at all. I'll come back to it. Okay, I cut a little notch in there. That's for the speakers. Got these two off the headphones. So I'll put them in there now. Hot glue it, seal it back up. Put the cotton back in place so that the earmuffs does its job again like it's supposed to. And then we'll come back to the video, see what it sounds like. Okay, this is the finished product, all back together. Sealed it up real good. I just tried it out. Sound real good, clean. You don't hear no noise, and it's, I have to say, for $2, it's good. It's worth it. $2.